The pandemic isn't just impacting our health and finances, it's affecting our pets too. COVID-19 has taken a toll on some humane societies and animal shelters in the area as the need increases, but the donors and fundraising efforts decrease. In Hamilton County, they're expecting a $250,000 loss this year because of it. Our Megan Sanctorum explains how the organization plans to still move forward and how you can help.
These are some of the faces of animals relying on the Humane Society for Hamilton County. Staff and volunteers are working hard to keep them happy and healthy until they find a forever home. But that's becoming increasingly difficult as donations drop.
We've seen the hits come a lot of different ways.
Overall donations are down. They've also had to cancel a major fundraising event over COVID-19 concerns. And they have to close their retail store, saying it's just not profitable anymore after having been closed for a few months and an overall decrease in shoppers. In total,
right now we're looking at about $250,000 loss.
That's money that typically would be used for operating expenses and medical care for animals.
Anytime we see someone drop off or we have to cancel an event, that's a huge hit. We have to figure out other ways to recoup that money, and it's difficult.
They're not the only shelter dealing with this. Leaders at the Humane Society in Johnson County say they're seeing the same thing.
Have to balance on that. Is it really appropriate to be asking people in this atmosphere, economic and business-wise, if they could sponsor or an event or even make a donation? I think everybody is kind of feeling that pinch.
But leaders at both say they will continue to look for alternative sources of funding. When asked what happens if they don't find it,
honestly, that's not an option. We have to figure out a way to make that happen. We have to continue to save lives and continue to do what we do.
And they're asking anyone who can help financially to do so. Working for you, Megan Sanctorum, WRTV.
A new facility is in the works for the Hamilton County Humane Society. Leaders say that money was already set aside and the project will move forward as planned. We have links on how you can help both shelters at WRTV.com.